The late 16th century marked a pivotal moment. The Spanish, seeking to expand their influence and quell resistance in Mindanao, searched for a strategic stronghold. In 1596, they founded a secluded bay they named La Caldera. Here, on the shores of what is now known as Recodo, they established their first garrison, Fort La Caldera. It was a modest outpost, vital for their initial attempts to control the southern waters and monitor the influential polities of Mindanao. The Spanish plan to use La Caldera as a base ultimately failed due to strong local resistance, logistical difficulties, and the strain of maintaining distant outposts. With its strategic purpose gone and limited resources to defend the area, the Spaniards eventually abandoned La Caldera, leaving it to decline in importance until their return to establish a stronger and more permanent fortification at Fort Pilar in 1635.
Chavacano Republic.